Get there now! Go down!
Please don't hurt us.
Are you and who sent you boys?
My friend, shut up!
You dare not ask me to shut up. I am the prince of Argo Kingdom.
Now go down! Go down on knees!
What?
Fast!
You dare not command me. I am the prince of this land.
You think I'm joking with you? I said, go on your knees! Come on! Go on your knees. You think I'm here to...
Who sent you boys to run this shit on me and my family?
Are you? I sent them to run this shit on you.
Anna.
How are you? Boys?
Oh! What is wrong with you? Why must you scream down the whole palace by this time of the night? Don't wake me again. Don't try it.
Eat.
I will, Your Highness.
Leonard.
Dad, please. I want to eat my food in peace.
You both fight.
Dad!
My king, Ujunwa had a dream. A bad one. And you know she is almost due for delivery.
Well, what about the dream?
Well, Ahan attacked our son and his family.
But Ahana is dead. I mean, it was a public announcement.
Yeah, that's what I said. It's just a dream. I know.
Well, eat.
My prince. My prince. See, you have to calm down. Yes. I mean, you know how pregnant woman does? Just relax. I mean, your queen is pregnant. I believe that's why she's having these strange dreams.
For the past 2 weeks. For the past 2 weeks, my pregnant wife has been dreaming of the dead Ahana. Why? Why will my pregnant wife be dreaming of the dead man?
I understand. I know how you feel, my prince. Just take this thing like one of the symptoms of pregnancy. Please.
I feel hot. Why must she be dreaming of the dead? It's crazy, man.
I know, just calm down.
Leonard!
Good deal.
Leonard! This is the last time you will raise your hands on your wife ever again in this palace.
Get lost, Mom. I said get lost.
Leonard.
I am not ready for that bullshit.
Are you talking to me in that manner?
My queen.
Leonard!
My queen.
Oh.
It's okay, I'm sorry about that. Don't worry, I will calm him down, please. I will talk some sense into him, please. Please, I'm sorry about that. Excuse me, my queen.
It's alright.
I'm sorry.
It's alright.
My prince.
I will deal with you in my own way. Leonard! Leonard!
The queen is crying. Why? I don't know. I went to her chamber to attend to her. I met her crying. She did not even look at me. I just pretend as if I did not even see her or notice her. I did my job and leave.
Wait, but Prince Leo, he's too hard on her. And me personally, I don't like it. That lady is pregnant, for Christ's sake.
Oh, you know why she's crying?
Who doesn't know in this palace? Prince Leo must have hurt her again, with his wrong and bad utterances.
Me, I smell trouble. I smell trouble in this palace. You know, anytime she cries like this, something must happen.
I beg, nothing they happen. Nothing.
Okay now. Okay. You go this way.
Bye-bye, yo.
Nobody.
My king, I don't see why everybody's worried about a dream. This is just common for every pregnant woman. My king, have you forgotten how it used to happen to me when I was pregnant with Leonard in my womb? Have you forgotten? I even dreamt you died many times in my dream. Come on, my king.
I am beginning to think differently.
How do you mean, my king?
That Ahana is not dead.
My king, the warder came up with the news that he died.
They just brought a picture, a mere picture.
Come on, my king. This thing happened many years ago. 10 years ago, to be precise. I don't know why you men think differently. This is just normal for a pregnant woman. They are bound to have weird dreams. Yes. Please, my king, you need to talk to your son. Yes, you need to talk to him.
You can never hold what does not belong to you with your two hands forever. One day, the owner will come. One day, the owner will show up. You must pay for all you have done. It doesn't matter, it doesn't matter. One day, it gon' matter. One day, it gon' matter. It doesn't matter, it doesn't matter. One day, it gon' matter. It gon' matter one day. If I never belong, I need no fear. You pay evil for good, your job. Your evil not gonna last forever. It doesn't matter, it doesn't matter. One day, it gon' matter. One day, it gon' matter. It doesn't matter, it doesn't matter. One day, it gon' matter. One day meant to worry. If I never belong, I need no fear. You pay evil for good, your job. We get people everywhere. We get so. You want to eat your cake and have it back again. Oh, no joy. Aburuni buchi bunu wa alugeme. Aburuni buchi keru wa pampagata. Hey, but thank God, say God no be man. Oh, okirikiri kana bubu ase adi aliyenu. What if I want to when you can Bakagero wetu akanya what you must pay for all you have done.
No, what is going on? Where is the house? Where is the house? Am I dreaming or what? Am I dreaming or what? No! No! Hey. No. No. Papa? Where are you? Where are you people? In the grave? Then Ujungwa. Where is Ujungwa? Ujungwa! 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 But why? Mama, hey, no! Ujungwa!
Wait, see, I'll get down. What is it? What is it?
I want to see the king. For what? I want to see the king. Is he around?
The king is around.
My name is Ahanna. I've been freed from the prison.
You have to calm down.
I'm just coming back.
You have to calm down.
You can say it again and again, my king.
Because I'm saying the truth. That's the language of truth.
Well, life is just like that. It is not everything that one promises that he fulfills.
Igbo Ohaka will fulfill all the promises he made to me before my people all faced tribal war. Agreement is an agreement. I'm not a fool.
All in all, for agreement is agreement.
Yes, agreement is agreement. You have a visitor.
A man or a woman?
A man.
God! How could you say a man? What is his name?
I don't know his name.
Let him in.
At the gate.
I told you to wait at the gate.
Hey,
I'm coming.
Here is the king now.
Calm down.
It's possible.
Yeah. So, like I was saying, a promise made must be fulfilled. You understand what?
Hey! Go to my land!
Ahanna. My king.
You are alive?
Yes, I'm alive. I'm out from the prison. My king, I couldn't find anybody. My family, my mother, my father, my wife Ujungwa, my king. Where are my family?
Oh my God. Anna. Oh my God. My king. Ujungwa. Hey, hey, Ubiabawam, hey, Ujungwa, hey, Ujungwa. Ujungwa, hey, Everything in this palace is confusing.
Hey, you.
and not...
Stop whatever you're discussing. Let's go. Let's go.
What happened? Did you see the man?
See, I saw a man at the gate a few minutes ago, and this man is looking very scary.
Is he a madman?
How will I know? I don't know.
Is that why the queen fainted?
Maybe. Funaya, where are you going to?
I'm coming.
Funaya!
Okay.
Yeah, go this way.
prison, yeah, yeah. I am back from prison, yeah, yeah. Back from prison, yeah, yeah. I am back from prison, yeah, yeah. I am back now, I am back now, I am back now, I am back now, I am back now. What rightfully belonged to me. Oh Lord, please help me. Mama, give me the strength. Many promises we are made to me, but all realize I fall amore. Back from prison, yeah, yeah. I am back from prison. Yeah, yeah. Back from prison, yeah, yeah. I am back from prison, yeah, yeah. I am back now, 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 I am back now. Lost everything because of my good heart. I lost my parents because of my good heart. My lovely wife is now in the hands of my enemy. Oh Lord, direct my path. This is war. Those of our land, direct my path to the right way.
Say this openly. I thought this boy was silenced in the prison.
Yes or no? That was what the warder told us years ago.
Or was it his ghost that visited the palace?
No. How will I know? If it is Ahana's ghost, how will I know? No.
This is unbelievable. Seriously unbelievable. But now, come to think of it, what will His Highness do?
The one that baffles me is this. He did not even fulfill any promise he made to the boy. Yet he is raging that Igbo Kaka will fulfill the promise he made to him. Not only that, his son went and got married to Ahana's wife. What a nonsense! Chai! Oh no! You see, let me tell you, this boy, or that boy, Ahana, is something else. And I want to believe that he is going to rain calamity in this land if he is not caught and then eliminated. That is my own idea.
Ichie, don't even think we are safe in this matter.
We were the ones that convinced the boy to stand out and save the face of the royal family.
Imagine.
So in the instant case, the Igwe was supposed to have, fulfilled every promises.
There you are. I'm even afraid myself because I don't know. This guy called Hannah. Hey, it's something else.
Let us hang it here.
What?
Because...
They are coming for you. They are coming for your life. You have to go.
Why would they want to kill me?
There is no time for explanation. You just have to leave this village.
I did not kill Ujunwa.
Ujunwa is alive. Ujunwa is alive. You have to go. They are coming.
Hey!
And he killed my guy.
Yes, Your Highness.
And you let him go away.
No, my prince, I was...
You dare let that bastard go away with Chiamaka! Chiamaka! I will end both of you if you don't get me that man! I'll end your miserable lives if you don't get me that bastard! Now go! Go and get me that idiot! Get me Ahanaya! I want to see his head right here in this palace! Get me Ahanaya!
Oh my king, what are we going to do? You need to do something.
That bastard must be found. He must be found.
Ujunwa, how are you feeling now?
Am I dreaming?
No, you're not.
Ahana is in the palace.
Yes, Ahana was in the palace. That's him.
I knew it. I said it. I knew he was going to come back. I never believed he died in prison.
The guards are looking for him. He killed Onyeka.
That means my dream is becoming a reality. This is a bad sign. We're in trouble.
No.
I'm in trouble.
No. Just put your mind down, okay? Just calm down. Nothing will happen. We will arrest the situation in no time, okay? Just relax.
Are you okay?
My leg.
Your leg?
My leg hurts. My leg hurts.
Sorry. Just want you to be okay. We'll be fine here, okay? They're not coming after us.
They will. They will come after us. They are going to increase in number
and they will come after us. I mean, what did you do? I mean, who are you and what did you do? Why are they looking for you?
Why did you help me? And why did you come out of the palace? You know, they might attack your family.
I am an orphan. My uncle tried to sell me out to an old man. And so I ran. I ran from my kingdom. I got to this kingdom, started working for the queen, the present wife of the prince. Nobody will come after my family. But why are they coming after you? What did you do? I don't even know why I was led in my spirit to help you, to come inform you about this. Who are you?
My name is Ahanna. And this is my story. At least let me eat well today. And more.
You're already eating with Mama and Papa.
Mm.
What about our food?
Don't bring it here. Let's eat together, okay?
Okay. I'm coming.
Baby. Yeah. Come. Come. Before you bring your own.
Yeah. See this boy, you.
Mama, again.
Chakwe, you are making love with your father's food.
Mama, allow me now. I'm doing my honeymoon. At least let me eat well today and feed my wife well.
Enjoy yourself.
Allow me, please. Okay.
Eat the love.
After all, I don't even feel like going to work.
So we're supposed to drive the prince?
The prince will go ahead and drive himself now. All of them know that I'm on my honeymoon.
You are right,
please
my
let
son.
me get our food.
Okay.
You are right, my son. Enjoy your newly married.
Baby, be fast, okay? Mama. Come 1 minute, I'll be cool.
I love that. But you get many love on a link. It should be your personal food.
Allow him to enjoy himself.
Boom. Hello? Yes, my prince. I'm at home. Is there any problem? I should come right now. It's okay, my prince. I'll be on my way. Yes, I'm coming. It's all right. Okay.
You'll be on your way to where?
The prince just called. I mean, he sounded very urgent and very worried.
Shebi, I asked you to switch off your phone. I told you to switch off your phone because this prince will not allow you rest. Every time he's always calling you, every now and then. You just started observing your leave. You just started yesterday and he's calling you today.
Baby, you don't
understand.
To come. You don't understand.
What don't I understand? What don't I understand?
He didn't really sound good. I think I have to go and know what the problem is.
Look, honey, this man keeps disturbing you. I can't even have 1 minute with you. He keeps ordering you and controlling you. I don't like it. I mean, he can't keep doing this to you.
It's okay.
Look, just switch off your phone because you're not going anywhere. Switch off your phone.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Every time he'll be disturbing us, I can't even have
Go
1 minute or...
It's okay. Shh. Go and put water for me to take my bed, okay? Hmm?
It's a lie. You want to run away.
I'm not running away.
Put me down.
Now you put the water, come and tell me, okay? The phone is off. Oh. It's off.
Don't go anywhere.
I'm not going anywhere.
I'm coming. Let me put you on. Papa, what happened? What happened to him?
He fell down from the palm tree.
From the palm tree?
Yes, ma'am.
Hey! Christian.
Papa, please, just take it easy. What are we going to do?
Please, I want to go to the Ichu village. Call that medicine man.
Yes.
You know him now.
Mama.
Please go and call him.
Okay, Mama, please take care of Papa.
Run, I will. Run, Biko. Nah, sorry. I'm sorry. Oh, Atokwadumo. Nah, you'll be fine. You'll be fine. It's alright. It's alright. You will be fine. Sorry.
Anna! Yes, my prince.
Promise you're not going to make a sound. I don't want to hear your voice. It's okay. Shimo, my prince! Shh! I said don't talk. Quiet. It was an accident. I swear it was an accident. This is Chief Mba's daughter. Yes, you know her.
I don't understand. What are we doing here?
What kind of question is that? I'm your man. I'll soon be your husband, so...
Then I just want to know what we are doing here.
Calm. Listen, I don't want you to get me upset. I can be very temperamental. If you resist me... Juliet. Jesus. Fuck! She's dead. She's dead. And everyone knows that she's here. Her father is aware that she's with me. I don't know what to do. I'm confused. I'm confused. What do we do?
Hey, my prince, Obuzelong, Kai. Hey.
What do we do?
But I don't. Okay. Let me think. Okay, my prince, let's report this case to the police.
No, Anna. We can't report this case to the... I told you that she's dead. I don't want to go to jail. I don't want anything that will crush my reputation. We just need to do something. That was why I called you. Okay. Think of something. Let's know how to deal with this mess. Hey, just think. Think, man.
My prince, hold on. Let me check if she's really dead.
Come on, she's no more, I swear. She's gone. Listen, we need to do something.
But my prince, I don't know what to do. The only thing that is in my head now is for us to report to the police.
Shut the fuck up! I said think! I am your prince. I told you to think. Find a solution so we can settle this. Are you crazy?
Okay. Hey.
What do we do? Now, what do we do?
How dare you murder the daughter of a prominent man in this land?
It was a mistake, Your
Don't ever tell me that it was a mistake. What type of a mistake is that? Is she still a suckling baby? Now tell me, what type of a mistake is that?
Calm down, Your Majesty.
I should calm down? I should calm down over the death of a prominent, innocent girl because he couldn't control his libido. Is that what you're telling me? To calm down over his stupidity?
Don't worry, Your Majesty. I have... Wait. My prince, please. Tell me this. Was your driver around when the incident happened? Was your driver around on the scene of the incident? He was on leave. Good, but I called him. Good. Your Majesty, don't worry. I have an idea. I have a plan. Yes, I have a plan. That's if you will approve it. You will see me.
What did the prince say? Huh? Talk
my
to
love,
me.
Don't worry yourself about it. It's nothing.
Are you hiding anything from me?
No.
You're hiding something from me.
My love, nothing. I told you, don't bother yourself about it. Just get me water to drink. Okay? Please.
Okay.
Hello, my king. Yes, I'm at home. All right, my king. All right. It's okay, sir.
Okay, where are you going?
The king wants to see me. I'm going to the palace. Okay? I'll see you, please.
But your water!
When I come back.
Agụ Kingdom, when? Yeah. Agụ Kingdom, when? Yeah. Ndị Agụ Kwezuedu. Your Majesty, I have to go. Let us do justice to it. Chukwu Abiyama Ekene, we have come in your presence to receive a go-ahead to this very wonderful meeting, brotherly meeting, very loving meeting. We thank you for everything you have stationed for us to achieve. You will make our son Hannah to succeed in life. You will also make us and our kingdom to remain sacrosanct. And I say the hello. Say and I say we going to touch you. Tanya no way, I tell you even. Talk about it. Watching calm, I'm going. Waiting for my. Why can you go mono? Hey! Oh, Maka, Okuaya Maka. You say, Eke, Ori, Afo, Nkwo, the other one is standing by. Your Majesty, with your permission, sir.
Go ahead.
This one is drink. Your Majesty, you are the king of our kingdom. With you, Aka.
Go ahead.
Ka anyị gọọ n'ọjị, ka anyị gọọ na mmanya. Here we are with a bottle of mmanya oyibo. Dịka anyị gọọ n'ọjị, ndụ anyị gọọ na mmanya. Ọ ga-abara na anyị o. Ọ ga-abara ụmụ anyị o. Ọ ga-abara ikwu na ibe anyị. Ọ ga-abara aha nna. Ọ ga-abara abara ezinụlọ ya, bara agbụrụ ya. Ifeọma ga-ezu emetụ ya iru. Anyị bụ enu nke a, pụtara na ndị ji ala anyị, ndị chi anyị na ndị olu anyị, anyị mekwa ka anyị chọrọ. Ngwa, chie, mmanya erikwa na ka a ga-esi na ya na chọrọ isi omu.
Oh no. Please proceed to why we are here today.
Aha natara. Oke nwa na mụrụ a. Oke nwa na mụrụ a. N'akụkụ ndụ. Nke izizi. We appreciate your presence. You are very humble servant. You are a loyal servant. Upon all the use of this kingdom, you are ranking number 1. Yes, in every aspect of life. And it is time to save our motherland, our fatherland, our dear kingdom, our kingdom. Do not allow this kingdom to go into shame. Do everything as you can do. Do everything you can to make sure you save us from this shame that has found its way into the kingdom. Yes. Someone like you is not supposed to be around us and watch this kingdom go into shame. Please. Because I know that your main goal is to preserve the sacred sanctity of this kingdom. The time has come for it. Our prince cannot go to prison and will still retain the royalty here. It's not possible. Because of this, we have come to ask you, please, do this for the sake of your kingdom. Do this for the sake of we elders who you love. Do it for the sake of the royal family. Thank you.
I am assuring you that you will not get that sentence. I am already working towards that. This is a top secret.
I do not want my son to go to prison. I do not want my son to go to jail. Gods of our land, please, please, I beg you.
In line with what the unknown has said, we are begging of you to please save the prince and also save the royal reputation. Please.
I do not have a hand in this. I'm not just part of it. I did not kill her. I did not kill her. Why do you people want me to accept a crime which I did not commit? Why?
I want you to consider these reasons. Number one, it will lead the royalty to vacate the palace if the prince goes to reason for murder. Then number 2, it will be a taboo. Then number 3, it will not be good that the only prince of Ago kingdom goes to prison. And to crown it all, His Royal Majesty here is fighting everything with all his might to make sure that the punishment will not be hard. Please, I beg of you to consider this reason and accept.
Ahanna, because oh, please, have mercy. Bikon Onna.
Your Majesty, you know I just got married barely a month ago. Why me? How do I do this? Why not get any of a prince relative to do this? Or even Ono's son?
Now we know why we chose you. Serve this kingdom. Serve this royal household. Please.
Ahanna, my son, consider this alongside with what I'm about to say now. My strong masculine which you know in this community, Yaboko, used to say something that ka nwa dibia na-agwọrọ ya ọgwụ ka ọ na-azụ onwe ya ndụ ka ọ na-azụ ya ndụ maka ọ na-agwọ ya bụ ọgwụ na-ede aka niile. The route to greatness is not easy. It is rough. But this is an opportunity you have to become great in life. To make yourself a hero by this. Do it because of what it will fetch you. Translating you and your family from abject poverty to what? To greatness in this kingdom. Consider it.
My love, why did the king call you?
My love, there is a big problem.
What about it?
The prince committed a big crime.
Okay.
They want me to go in for him.
I don't understand. What are you talking about?
They want to exchange the prince with me.
No. No. No way. Honey, this can't work. Why would they want to do a thing like that? He has to pay for his crimes. I won't let you do that. But are you talking about the prison? Is that what you're talking about?
Something like that.
I can't let you do that to yourself. Obim, I wouldn't let you do that to yourself. It will not happen. It will never happen.
They are begging me. Even the queen. She's been crying. The king. Even the elders. Everyone. They're all begging me.
Obim, you have a wife. You have a wife. You have a family. A newly wedded wife. Are you just going to leave all that behind and go to prison? Are you going to abandon your family here? Obim, I won't let you do that, okay? I would not. I won't let you leave me alone. I won't let you.
No.
Babe, don't do this.
I gave them condition.
What condition? Which condition?
If the royal house will agree to the conditions, my nephew, Ahana, will go in for Prince Leonard.
We will.
Your Majesty, these are the conditions. You will build a duplex for the parents and open a very big fashion house for the wife, who is currently a seamstress. His parents will be having an allowance of 150,000 monthly. And that will be the period Ahana will be convicted. And the wife also will be taking 100,000 naira. And all this will come to an end when Ahana will comes out from the prison.
Thank you very much. Thank you, Chief. Thank you for your wonderful effort.
You're welcome, Ono.
We will do all that. We will do it. Your Majesty.
Oh, yes, on the affirmative. Does Ahana have a specific land that all this will be built on?
Yes, he told me everything.
Okay.
And that is why I'm here to confirm from the royal house.
Oh, do you have account?
Yes.
Your Majesty, let's go ahead and implement the project.
It's done.
It's done.
So I will get back to him and let him know all that we have discussed.
It's okay.
Thank you.
Please give him. Take more of this. Take more of this. Guards, please bring one goat from the barn and two tubers of. Yeah.
We'll give money.
The greatest news I've heard.
We'll give money.
I am happy.
Oh no!
I am happy.
Your Majesty.
Your Majesty.
Your Majesty.
You're welcome. You're welcome to my house.
My heart has landed back.
I am happy. Please, I don't
Yes,
like this.
I've taken enough. I've taken enough.
Oh, you're okay. I'm happy.
Don't even come close to me. Don't even try to touch me. Don't touch me. Why? Why are you doing this? Why do you want to go in for that wicked and heartless prince? Someone who treats you like a nobody. Someone who doesn't have regard for anyone. A heartless beast. Why do you want to go in for him? Of course. That's because you care about yourself. You alone. You're not even thinking about your sick father and aged mother. You're not thinking about how you're going to feel.
Baby, I am doing it for us.
You're not doing anything for us. You're not doing it for us. You're doing it for yourself. And that's because you're selfish, greedy and inconsiderate. Hannah, I will not forgive you if you go in for a crime you did not commit. I will not forgive you. Just know that.
Babe, I am doing it for us, please. I was convicted for murder. I was in prison for 7 years. I went in for the prince. I was in prison for 7 years for the crime I did not commit. I did not listen to my wife, nor my father. tears of my mother keep hitting me while I was going in for the crime I did not commit. I don't know what to do. I came back and saw nothing. For all I did for the prince, what did I get for it? Nothing. They disappointed me. And to worsen it all, the prince took my wife. What a wicked world. They breached the contract. The agreement I had with them. They did nothing. The world is so wicked.
This is unbelievable. This is strongly wrong. This is wickedness. So they never built the mansion?
I didn't see anything. All I saw was graves.
Okay, you talked about something about taking oaths, so what about that?
I don't know anything about that. I don't know. I feel my uncle deceived me. I don't know. What?
I think I heard something.
Did you?
It must be the guards. We have to get going now.
Are you sure?
We have to go! Let's keep running.
Let's go.
How can this be possible? How? I thought he died in the prison. Huh?
Yeah. I have just finished speaking with the warder. And he told me that he was unable to complete the mission of killing him. According to him, he was transferred to the north and he lost our contact.
Oh no! After how many years that boy did not come?
He lied to me. He lied to all of us and ate my hard-earned money. But you know what? I am going to squeeze him like a bitter leaf. Mafia Konu. Your Highness, this is serious. What are we going to do? You know, his father, my late brother, and the wife died almost 5 years ago.
Oh, yes.
Huh? So, Kefaga, what are we going to do?
To worsen it all, Ujungwa is now part of the royal family.
Yes.
I don't even know who authorized the guards to open the gate for him in the first place.
No, why wouldn't they open the gate for him? No, tell me, why wouldn't they open the gate for him? I warned you all, but nobody listened to me. I did warn you all, but you thought I was speaking trash. Now, have you seen it? No, have you seen it? Have you? My darling husband, Karma is about to pay you an August visit.
This is serious. Very serious.
That bastard must be found.
I told you about this. I warned you. I warned you, but you thought you were smarter. Now, have you seen it? No, have you seen it?
Is the kingdom not in pandemonium already for you to start this? Give me time to think, woman.
Did you say think? Think about what? No, tell me, think about what? You allow Onowu and the elders to drain you with their opinions. You have the money to put up this building for them and also to pay the family. If you had done that, I don't think things would have been this way.
It was a son who raped his wife and got his wife pregnant. And now they are in unholy matrimony.
Just pray. Just pray that the God apprehends him. Have you seen everything? No, just take a look. Have you seen it? Listen to your wife. You will say no. I don't like this. I don't like it. I don't like what Onowu and the elders are telling you to do. How can you breach the agreement? My king, you are a wealthy king. You have the money. You can't cut corners on this. You took an oath, remember?
It was fabricated oath.
What? What did you just say?
The oath was fabricated. I mean, how do you expect me to be paying 100 to 200,000 to the old parents and still pay 100,000 to the wife on a monthly basis? Build house, a duplex, and the fashion house to the same people. I mean, this is a blood-sucking project. You must agree with me.
He is going to prison for your son! Your son killed Juliet, his girlfriend, in a hotel. And now, Ahana, your son's driver, claimed that he's the one that killed Juliet. And now, you want to play smart? What? Really? Is that not too much? 7 years. 7 good years of imprisonment.
Nothing is too much for Igwe Hilary and his descendants. After all, it's just a minimal jail term. I worked it with my money.
Don't play smart, whether minimum or maximum. And don't play extra smart on taking a fake oath. You have to do what the agreement says, period.
Listen to me. This is not being smart. It is called social intelligence. I didn't want to stand in the chance of him rejecting not to go in replace of my son, right? That's why I did what I did. But please, don't come in between us. I know the web I'm spinning, right? Can I catch some sleep now? Before Oye Market successfully counted their success, it was because the King Market was a huge success. ONNY. So why I'm saying this is that I want you people to calm down. I know the web that I am spinning. In no distant time, everything will settle. When when the chips are down, we will separate the voice from the man.
I am not in support of this. I am not. Ahana is like an angel to my son. He is somebody's son. Onowu, please, tell my husband the truth. Tell him the right thing and not what you two are talking about.
How dare you? How dare you interfere in the meeting the chiefs and I are having? How dare you?
Calm down. My queen, the truth is that Ahana's demand was too much. And in our desperation to save the kingdom from this impending shame, we did not bargain at all.
Oh no. Imagine if it's your son. No, tell me, will your son, Nnabueze, accept to go to jail for the sake of this royal house? Will he? Can he really calm down to go to jail to give his life for the sake of this royal house? I guess not. I cried. I begged. I did everything for Ahana to accept to save the reputation of my son. And not just that alone, for the sake of this royal house.
Azoka, I am the king of this great kingdom. And I have already decreed not what Ahana is asking for. And if you go against it, you will be responsible for what will happen to you. Now get out! Out! Out!
The queen is just being a woman.
It doesn't matter, it doesn't matter. One day, it gon' matter. One day, it gon' matter. It doesn't matter, it doesn't matter. One day, it gon' matter.
He killed my Onyeka. He killed my Onyeka, but Onyeka is gone forever. Oh, Chiamaka. Chiamaka, I will not forgive you. I will not forgive you.
Hey man, they mad. Listen, they mad. How will you come to the pastor and make when you faint on top waiting? Is he mad?
I don't know. I don't know. Chiamaka. Chiamaka. I wish they killed her too. I wish they killed her.
But it's not her fault. It's not her fault, honestly. It's not.
Meaning what?
Not her fault.
Didn't you hear Izu? He said it's Chiamaka that appeared to that man's house and asked him to run. They saw her there.
Something fishy is going on in this palace that we are not aware of.
Of course.
Something fishy is going on. I'm very certain. I'm certain. But we'll find out, don't worry. Yeah? Dry your tears, it's okay. Okay, it's okay, it's fine. It's fine.
It's fine.
Wow. Just go to the root of it, don't worry. Go.
No. Igwe. Aru. Where is the staff?
It's in the royal chamber, of course.
Where is the staff that signifies your royalty as the king of Ago Kingdom?
What is the matter?
Where is it? I want to see it. The worst is about to happen.
What is it?
The staff! The staff is missing!
Where is the royal staff? Hey!
Your Majesty.
Echaka, the royal staff is gone. What is going on?
Where is the staff? The worst is about to happen.
Great Ichaka, please, I beg of you, do something. Please do something, I beg you.
There's nothing I can do about that. The glory of this royal house has left your household.
Mba, Ichaka, please, you must do something about this. Naya, just get down to her shrine. Then find out 2 minutes for your boy.
Yes.
Biko, find out what happened.
There's nothing I can do. I can't do that.
I am still the king. I am still King Hilary Ago Krikitingwong Kembo Naumuago Kingdom. This throne belongs to me. The throne is mine.
Your Majesty, the matter is now with the royal staff. How do we find it? That is the matter. It disappeared.
I'm crying.
How can you take such decision without telling your father? How? Anna, you just got married. What are you going to do about your wife? Who are you leaving her for? Has the king bewitched you? I'm asking you. What has the prince done to you that you are ready to give up your life for him? What? Why?
Mama, Wale and Wayo, you people need to understand me. What you got Mbalu, Izbutulu. Mama, we're on agreement already. Eh? What understand me? It's not that I want to die, but Mama, understand me, please.
Anna, how could you do that? How could you? I'm asking you.
Mama, see, the truth is this. My wife will be given a shop, and the king will always pay her 100,000 naira every month. Then you and Papa will be paid 150,000 naira each every month, and they will build a duplex for us.
I thought you have brain. You are so naive.
Mama, you.
It's true.
I'm not intact.
I'm leaving. I'm going. I'm leaving. Please. You're very wicked and heartless. You don't even think about me. Okay, so you want to make me a widow, right?
No, I'm thinking about all of us.
You're not.
Please.
You want to make me a widow. God. You want to kill me. You want to leave me and go to prison. Why? Did you ever think about me? Did you ever for once think about me? What if you've been sentenced to death? What if you have been sentenced to death by hanging or by firing? Do you even think about your life?
Such thing would not happen. It will not happen. Okay? The king is talking with the judge who is handling the case. It's not about me, it's about the kingdom. It's a taboo, it's a crime if the prince should face the trial and go to jail. It's not good for the kingdom.
You're just thinking about yourself.
No.
No, you're just thinking about yourself. Only you.
Babe, no.
Just about yourself.
I'm thinking of everybody.
That's a lie. That's a big lie, because if you're thinking of everybody, you wouldn't take such a decision without consulting anyone. Without consulting your wife, your mother, your father. Just leave me alone. Let me just go. I'd rather go than become a widow.
No, you don't do this. Mama, please beg her for me.
Leave me alone. I want to go.
Biko, you're not going anywhere. Oh, Biko, I'm sorry. Understand me. It's for our good, Mama.
Anna, you have broken my heart. I am so disappointed. No man can ever do this to his own mother. My only child, my only hope. Your father is at the harbor home groaning in pain. All you could think of is to go to prison for a crime you did not commit. All because you need money. All because of the taste of this world. What is your problem? Did you think well?
Mama, please. Shut
I
up.
don't want to be a widow.
I will not die.
Please, Your Highness. We are newlyweds. We just got married. Please, I beg you, my husband cannot do this. He cannot go to jail. Please. His father is critically ill at the herbal home. His mother is sick and she can't do anything. He's the only son of his parents, the only child. I am his wife. We are barely 3 months in our marriage. Please, I beg you. Another person can do this for the royal family. Another person can help the royal family, but not my husband. Please, I beg you. You can't send him to jail. Please, it's all I have. Please, I beg you. Please, Your Majesty. Please, just help me reconsider. Just help me reconsider. Please, don't send him away from us.
It's okay.
Please, I beg you.
It's alright, young girl. You see, I sympathize with you and your condition. From the way you see it. Because in a situation like this, it is important for one to discover the opportunities underneath. One should be happy that he is undertaking this for the sake of his king and his kingdom. And I want you to know that Ahanna and the royal family, and in fact the entire people of Ago Kingdom had an agreement. And we all swore an oath binding ourselves to make sure we keep to the agreement. So in that case, you will only see good things out of it. It is for your own good. And I am sure that Ahanna must come back safe and sound.
I don't want him to go to jail. Please, I don't want the good things. I just don't want him to go to jail.
The fact is that there is no going back on this agreement. Understand it?
It's okay, my dear. Cry no more. Listen, I will make sure you lack nothing. Don't worry, my daughter. Your husband will come back to you someday. Listen, it's not a death sentence. I promise you that, okay?
Wipe your tears, huh? What no one has told you is that I am taking charge of her whole thing. Nothing will happen to him, okay? You and your family will be fine for the rest of the time he's going to spend there. I'll make sure that I'll take care of everything. You and your family. Do not worry. Nobody will harm him there, okay? He will come back. You hearing me?
Rise. Get up. Ahanna is a great man. He has proven to be what I thought he cannot be. You should be proud of him. It's okay. Stop crying. Stop crying.
Son, I'll give you 100,000 for her, so she can go home.
Stop crying. Wipe your tears.
Lord, my treasure.
My love, no matter what happens, please, I want you to take care of yourself for me and my parents. Please.
I will. But promise me you're going to come back.
Of course.
Promise me that this is not a death sentence.
I will definitely come back. Of course I will. The king asked I should be given freedom for now.
Tomorrow is the judgment day, right?
Yes, my love.
Ahanna, I love you. I love you so much. I can't imagine a day without you. I don't know how I'm going to survive.
Listen, Listen. Come on, listen to me. I love you. I love you so much. And I will never stop loving you. Okay? Just take care of yourself for me and my parents. Please. I'll come back, okay?
Your Highness, it is over a month now my nephew and I went to prison. And we've not heard from the palace. His wife came to complain to me that my brother, my father-in-law, is critically ill. And they need money to continue his treatment. So we're here to know what is happening, Your Highness.
Well, it's quite unfortunate that I am yet to fulfill all the promises I made. No doubt I made some promises and had an agreement with you people before Ahana went to prison. But as it stands now, things are no longer at ease. My company is about to fold up, but not to worry about. I will fulfill all the promises I've made. I'm only asking for 1 month extra so that I will start up the building project as I promised before, and then fulfill everything that I agree with you people. Just little patience. That's all I'm asking for.
Your Majesty, I just need Papa's medical bill. I just need money to pay for Papa's medical bill. I've spent all the money Ahana gave me for his medical bills, even my own money. So if I can get some money so I can pay for Papa's bill, I will be so happy. That's why I came, Your Majesty.
Well, I am encouraging you not to relent. You're a virtuous woman. That is credit on your side. But like I said before, it's a little time, then I will come up with all the promises I've made. As for Ahana's father in the hospital, of course I shall visit very soon to see him there in the hospital. Nevertheless, if you're about to leave, God there will give you a token just for transport.
It's all right, Your Highness.
All right. Please say me well before I ask for it. I will.
It's okay. Mama, please stop doing this to yourself, okay? Mama, please stop crying.
They fooled him. They cheated my son. He has gone to prison without even telling us the crime the prince committed. Yet they're not fulfilling their promises.
Mama, they will do it. They will. They will fulfill their promise.
They will not. The king will not. He's lying. I mean, I know him too well. He's a dubious man. You might not understand, but I know what I'm saying. He will not fulfill. They have used my son. They have used him even without his knowledge.
Mama, nobody used my husband, okay? Mama, they took an oath, remember? They took an oath, and I'm certain the king will do it. He will fulfill his promise, Mama. Mama, stop doing this to yourself, I beg you. Please, it hurts me seeing you like this. Mama, I need to go and give Papa food at the herbal home. Mama, make sure you eat something. Make sure you eat your food.
I'm missing my son. I'm missing him. I am so scared. I'm scared. The future is not clear to me at all.
But the future is clear. Mama, the future is clear. You need to stop this, Mama. You have to be positive. Stop saying these negative things now. It's okay. Everything.
My prince, good afternoon.
Beautiful Ujunwa. How are you?
I'm fine, my prince.
Good. That's very good. Wow. You're going home?
Yes, I'm going home.
Alright. Get to let me drop you off.
No, my house is not very far. I'm almost home.
Oh, come on, Ujunwa. We're now family friends. Get into the car, let me drop you at your husband's house.
If you insist.
I insist.
Thank you.
Ujunwa, Ahanna is a lucky man to have you as his wife.
You're beautiful. Very beautiful.
Thank you.
I should have asked. What about your father-in-law?
His condition is getting really worse.
Are you serious?
Yes, I'm just coming from the herbal home and he doesn't eat, he doesn't talk to anyone. He only asks about his son, Ahanna.
This is pathetic. Very pathetic. But don't worry yourself. In no time, everything will be fine. You don't need to bother yourself. I already told my father to fly your father-in-law abroad. Alongside with you.
Really?
Yes. You know, Anna is a loyal servant to the royal home.
Wait.
And he has proven beyond doubt that he can do anything.
Yes.
I mean, anything to save my family. You understand me?
Yes, I do. Are you really serious about the abroad thing?
Come on, I'm very serious. All right, let me tell you. My father, I mean my family,
Yes.
they have bigger plans for Anya.
I just wish my father-in-law will hold on till your father flies him abroad.
I told you it will happen.
Yes.
Right? You just need to be patient. My family have bigger dreams. I mean, big dream for the family.
I am so happy. Thank you so much for this news. I am so happy about this. Thank you. You don't know how happy I am right now.
It's nothing.
Thank you.
So, should I come and pick you tomorrow when you're going to see Papa?
No, Mama. Hey. Yes, Mama, I'm back.
Good day, Mama. Good day, Mama. Good day. How are you? Fine.
Mama, he saw me on my way coming back, so he decided to give me a lift.
It's alright. What about what I asked you?
My prince, don't worry yourself, eh? I'll be fine. Don't stress yourself.
No, I insist.
Okay then, it's fine.
Bye. Welcome.
Mama, let's go.
is it?
Mama, you're back.
Yes. You look stressed. Eh?
I did some house chores.
I see.
Mama, is anything the matter?
Not at all. Just checking on my son's wife.
So, Mama, how is Papa?
My daughter. My husband cannot speak what anybody can hear now. I don't understand. The sickness is getting from bad to worse. I'm just thinking, is it no more falling from the tree we have been treating? Or is there any other thing? I'm scared.
Mama, look, you don't have to be scared. Nothing will happen to Papa. Nothing will happen to him.
I hope so. The problem now is that the medicine man is requesting for more money. 70,000 naira this time.
70,000 naira?
Yes.
For what?
He said he wants to use it to buy materials for the treatment.
Huh.
Eh? That man wants to suck us dry, you.
Mama, it can't work. Oh. Just last week we gave him 30,000 naira. Yet there was no improvement. And now he's requesting for another 70,000 naira. Mama, it seems like we'll take Papa from that place and take him to a better place. Because this is becoming too much now.
What are you saying, Ujunwa? Take him to another place?
Yes.
Another place? Another money? No. If you go to another place, that person will start a fresh charging. We can't afford it. We can just... In fact, we have to see if we can, give him 20,000 naira to start the treatment. Let him start something. Because from what he told me, there will be a strong change this time. Yes. And another thing is that my husband has started battling with stroke.
Stroke?
Yes. His left hand and neck are bending now.
Hey God forbid. God forbid, Mama. God forbid. It's not Papa's portion. God forbid.
Let's just see if there's anything that man can do about it. That's it. Did you cook anything?
Yes, Mama, let me get you your food. I made jollof rice.
It's okay.
Yes,
please get it quick, because this evening I'll be going back there. I want to spend the night with him that place, so that you can rest.
No
go.
No problem. Let me get you your food.
It's okay.
It should be enough. Just 50,000 naira.
Thank you so much, my prince. Thank you. I'll give it to the man. Thank you.
Junwa.
My prince, thank you for the money. I have to start going now before Mama will be looking for me.
Ujunwa, I've always wanted you to be my queen. I feel anger and jealous that my driver, Ahanna, is having this beautiful figure as his wife. I feel the pain deep down my spine. Be my queen now that he's no more.
Sorry, I can't do that. It's impossible. I am his wife. Ayana will come back after he serves his jail term. He's going to come back.
Listen, you can be a wife to a commoner. Let us be man and wife. I will make you the queen of this land. I love you with everything in me. My love is genuine. Come.
My prince, I have to be on my way.
Are you okay? Is everything all right? My name is Prince Leonard of Odiba Hillary. I get what I want.
Oh, hello. Hello, man.
Hey! Ewa! Ewa!
Hello.
Hey! Hey!
Our own brother. Our own brother. Oh, where him go? Check. Hello, man. Hello.
Yes. Hey. A man with a pure heart of good. A humble man. Just like his son, Ahanna. Oh, Ahanna. Your father is gone. Your father is gone.
Hey! Ewo! Ewo!
Father is gone.
Hey! Ewo! Oh, Kasije! Hey! Hey! Obi ọmọ wa dubo! Mother laburu lalaru! Hey! Hey! This pen. This pen I am going through. The pain I My only son. You sent him to prison in place of your own son. You promised to build us house. Promised to take my sick husband overseas for medical treatment. You promised everything without accomplishing even one. Hey, no. No, I will not take this. I will not take this. Ma, gods of our land. Gods of our land. Ma, this battle is not mine. It is of you. You will fight for me. You will fight for my family. Let everything that is hidden be revealed. No! No one can kill my son. No mortal being can ever take your life unless I am not your mother. No! Let me tell you, Ahana, wherever you are, in this land of the living, your glory must always shine. Whether in prison, whether in palace, whether in my house, in this planet Earth, your glory must always shine. You can never stay hidden. It's not possible. Ahana, my son, may you come back and meet your mother in good state. But if you happen not to see me anymore, my wish unto you, my good son, is that you will live to become that which the gods has destined you to be. Yes! Don't come to me. Don't ever sorry me.
I am so sorry.
I said you should not sorry me. You conspired against me, my fellow woman. Just look at you. You are putting on makeup, putting on your crown, putting on jewels. Because of that, you think you are more than every other person in this community. You have your own child. I have mine. You conspired against my own family and took my only son to prison because I know you are part of it. Your son is there enjoying his life with you, and my son is suffering for what he don't know about. You are telling me sorry. Sorry for what? Go and be sorry for yourself.
The promises have not failed. Yes, they have not failed. The king is planning a bigger thing. Oh?
Exactly. I will have a meeting with the king tonight.
Good.
The king is planning a bigger thing. Yes, he's planning another death in my family, but it will bounce back on him. Yes! He's planning a bigger thing with himself, not me. My husband has just died. He's planning another bigger thing. Look, let me tell you. When my husband was sick in bed, did he visit even once? And you, my fellow woman, did you even pay a half visit? Did you? You didn't pay any visit. Why did I even offer you people seat? Why? Who gave them this seat? Get out of my house. I said you people should get out.
It has not come to that.
It has come to that. Get out. I said get out. I said you should get out.
It has not come to that.
I said get out.
Go, leave, go, get out.
Get out.
Just
Get
go,
out
leave.
of my house.
Leave us.
Get out. Evil people. King can win my food. Nonsense. Get out.
Hey, I'm going to rock my girl. I'm going to carry you around today, you know, take you around town, rock you, you know, cruise you small, you know, with this royal car. That's my girl. Woo, girl looking beautiful. Babe, what is it? Why are you not smiling?
I don't like the way the prince was looking at me at the palace. It was too much. That prince is a womanizer.
Was he staring at you?
Didn't you notice? He was looking at me, he almost raped me with his eyes. I became so uncomfortable.
No, now. The prince has a date. The commissioner's daughter, I think.
Don't even go there. I'm telling you that your prince, that prince, is purely a womanizer.
Babe, no. Anyway, if that happens, I'm going to kill someone about that. Oh, yes, me, I'll finish someone. I know the joke. Oh.
Don't you? Just be careful. Just be careful. Look at the way he was looking at me like a mumu prince.
Hey, girl. You are insulting my boss. The prince of Agu Kingdom.
Beg. Don't spare me that.
Well, how did you know he was looking at you?
You need to see the
You
way
were
he was
looking
just
too.
looking at...
You were looking too.
I wasn't looking. Oh, I saw it now. I was using my side eye to see him.
It's okay. You're going to enjoy me today, baby.
So why do you want us to eat?
Just say it.
I want you to take me to buy ice cream.
Ice cream, I know. Okay.
What a diamond in my life.
When did you come out of prison? How did you get out of prison?
Why did you sleep with the prince?
The prince? Look, he forced himself on me. He raped me. He raped me, Ahana.
You never told anyone?
I was planning to tell Mama. I was planning to tell Chief Kalu, but it's... No!
You are pregnant. Yes, you are pregnant. Hi! You are pregnant for my son. Hey. Ahana. Eh? This is good news mixed with sadness. Why should my son be in prison? Why his wife is pregnant?
Mama.
Hi.
Mama, it's okay.
Hey! My son. Hey. Hey. Ooh.
Mama.
I told you that the royal house have deceived my son. But you are not seeing it. But I know it's true. So what are we going to do now? Eh? This is almost 2 months.
Mama, look. If by the end of the month they don't do anything, then we will go to them and bail our hearts.
Exactly. You are right. But Ma, I am in pain. My heart is bleeding.
Mama, it's okay.
How can my son be in prison while his father is being buried? Only son. Only son. You said you will go and visit him next week.
Yes, Mama. That's what Chief Carlos said. He said we'll go and see him next week.
It's okay. If you go, you will tell him that you are pregnant. At least let him see something that will make his mind strong over there. You will also tell him that the king has not done anything.
I will tell him.
Also blame him for being so stupid and foolish.
Mama, it's okay. It's okay, Mama. You will go.
No. You see that? Neka. Neka.
Mama, what is it? Mama, what happened? What did you do to her? What happened to her? What did you do to her? What did you do to her? Tell me.
Nothing.
What did you do to her?
Nothing.
What did you do to this woman?
Calm down.
What did you do to her?
Calm down now. Calm down.
I am not coming down. Tell me, what did you do to her?
Okay, let's just listen.
He what?
He tried to escape from the prison and the warder shot him to death.
Yes.
And that is the information we're getting this morning.
Shot who?
Your husband. Your husband. Calm down. Take it easy. Just calm down.
Shot him to death.
Here you go.
Could she dead?
How will I know? Am I a doctor? Cherupa.
Ah! Excuse me, I think.
What do we do now?
I don't know. I say, can we make a call?
Who do we call? Okay, let me call my doctor. Here you go. My daughter, please stop crying. You cannot kill yourself. Yes, you can't kill yourself. You are still a young lady. Very young. You see, you still have a very large opportunity to remarry and move on with your life. So please, stop crying. You know?
My husband. My husband is gone. Ahana is gone. Mama is gone. Papa is gone. Everybody is gone. In just 1 month. And you're telling me not to cry? God.
Yes, sir. I know that it's very, very painful. But you will not kill yourself. What has happened has happened. And the gods knows why everything happened the way they happened. You cannot kill yourself, like I said. All you need to do is to put yourself together. But mourn your husband, and afterwards, you can continue with your life. It is very, very possible. Please.
My dear, please just be a courageous woman. Move on with your life. Crying will not change anything.
My husband, Ayana. Ayana is gone. Mama is gone. You are so wicked. Why did you do this to me? Why did you put me in this condition?
Go straight to the point. Why did you call me out?
I am pregnant.
You what?
I am pregnant. And I am not keeping this child.
Listen, I am going to marry you. You don't dare. You don't do anything silly with that baby.
You are so wicked and heartless. Your family is so cruel. I am not going to marry you, and I will not keep this child.
If you dare do anything silly with that baby, I will kill you. I will kill you, Jungwa.
You will do no such thing. Just go to hell. Go to hell where you belong.
She's pregnant for I'm going to be a father. Yes. She's pregnant for me.
What?
Gods of our land.
She's going to be my wife. She had my seed right inside of her. Hey! And there is nothing anybody can do about it. I repeat, there is nothing anybody can do about it.
You must be out of your mind, Leonard. Have you gone nuts?
Mom, you can call me names. You can call me whatever name you like. I don't care. Prince Leona, I don't care.
You got my nephew's wife pregnant, and you dare threaten to marry her. How dare you? I'm allowing you to speak with such tone just because of your father, the king of this kingdom. Otherwise...
Shut up, old man. I said shut up! You bloody betrayer.
You call me names.
Keep quiet! I said shut up. Shut up, David.
You call me names.
Father.
What's the matter with you?
Ujungwa must be my wife. And you will wed us right here in this palace. Whether the kingdom likes it or not. Ujungwa must be my queen.
Let's go. Wait, Prince. Let's go. And you, young lady. Why must you go to the prince? Look at it. You have no power, nothing that will make you to insult a man who was there with us all this while. Just to make sure you do not go to the prison. To insult this kingdom. Your Majesty, I am the traditional Prime Minister of this kingdom, and I don't like what is going on.
Junior,
Go to your room, okay? I want to talk to your father. Come on, come on.
ONNY is not dead. The royal staff is missing. Do you know where we can get him?
And do what?
Kill him. He needs to return to the land of the dead. So give me, please, name anywhere I can get that idiot.
I will not. I will not. How dare you, Prince Leonard? How dare you? How evil can you get? Your family is cursed and evil! And now I'm beginning to see karma fall on all of you.
One more word from you.
And you will do what? What are you going to do? Oh, you want to kill me? Go ahead and kill me! Kill me! If it's going to make you happy. You all plotted against my husband. You plotted against him. Now I know the reason why you sent him to prison. So you can have me. You tried to silence him forever. Now I'm beginning to understand what happened solid 7 years ago. You're so cruel.
Stop pushing me and give me information of where I can get that ex-convict.
I will not! I will not!
Get ready for your dream to come true. He will kill you for betraying the marriage.
You raped me. You raped me, you murderer.
Did I force you? Did I force you to marry me? Did I put gun on your dummy head to marry me? I'm asking you, Joa.
It is your mother that is a dummy! Stop me, son! Yeah! Stop! What is wrong with you? What is wrong with your head? Have you gone crazy? Do you want to kill her? Can't you see she's pregnant? Oh my God. Ujunwa, are you okay? I want to go. I'm tired. I want to leave.
Lies. You lie! Ujunwa, you lie! In fact, this marriage just begun. Watch and see.
Listen, Ujunwa, you can't say that, my dear. Listen, everything is under control, okay?
I want
relax.
to go. I want to leave.
It's alright.
I'm tired.
Are you okay? Why are you lost in thoughts? I think we can rest here. Let's go rest first. I'm here to rest.
And that was how I found the staff.
And the grave.
Yes.
What does that even mean?
I don't know. I think that should be my father's item. I mean, my late father's item.
Anyway, it's okay. When we get to my maternal home, everything is going to be fine there. You can start all over again. Be a free man and live your life. The gods will help you.
I don't think I can ever live a free life again. I've lost everything. I've lost all that matters to me. My father, my mother, everything. The grave in my father's house tells a lot. And another one, my wife. My wife is now a queen in the palace, pregnant, and has a son for him, for the prince. You see, there is no way I will ever have a free life again. This world is wicked. The world is so wicked.
Did you hear that? Did you hear?
Yes. Yes. Hide, hide, hide. Come.
Go in there. Search everywhere. Turn this building upside down and get to that guy. First of all that.
Where is he? Where is that idiot? There's no one in there. I've searched everywhere.
What is the report? You want to tell me that you people cannot catch just one man and the girl? Now listen and listen very good. Do not return to the palace without his head. You understand me? You must get me his head. How am I even sure that you can withstand a man that killed your boy? But you must give me good news.
Honestly, Ahana, my brother, I'm so happy you are here. May the gods be praised that you are back alive. Hi!
Uncle, what happened to my family?
Listen and listen good, Ujungwa. You have crossed your boundaries in this palace. And I tell you, you have to brittle your tongue. First, you are not going anywhere with my son's pregnancy. Second, if you dare speak to anyone in a rude manner in this palace ever again, you will have me to contend with. I hope I have made myself clear.
I just want to go. I want to go. Look, you can have the baby. You can have everything. Take anything. I don't want anything. Just allow me to go. Please, I want to see Ahana. I want to apologize to him. Please, I beg you.
Well, you are now part of this royal home. I believe with time, everything will fizzle away. So, you are not going anywhere, my dear. Just relax your mind, okay?
I want to go.
Why can't you push this child to the man you claim you love? Ahana, tell Prince Leo that this child doesn't belong to him. Tell them that this child isn't theirs.
How is that possible, Chiamaka? How do you expect me to do that? Who will take care of me? Who will take care of my unborn child? You know my parents are dead. My in-laws are dead. Ahana is
lost in prison. As a matter of fact, he's dead. So tell me, how am I going to survive?
You will have to try. Give it a trial. I believe you're going to survive it.
How? No, tell me. How? How do I survive this? I have no one, Chiamaka. How do I survive this?
Okay, fine. So what if a day comes and you get to find out that Ahanna isn't dead? What are you going to do?
You are so evil! Everyone is so evil and wicked! All of you are evil! I mean, how can you all gang up to do evil against my husband? You even lied to his parents that he was shot in prison! That he was dead! How evil can you be?
You are talking to the queen of this kingdom.
I don't care! I don't care anymore! I do not care!
Ujungwa, mind your tone.
Which tone? Which tone are you talking about? Tell me which tone! I am leaving this family. I am leaving this evil family for good.
You cannot eat your cake and have it.
Not
a word.
My king.
Not a word. You must be psychologically majestic to address the royal household as evil one.
If the royal household is not beclouded with evil, conspiracy and wickedness, then why did the staff suddenly vanish?
My king, please.
If you are drunk, this is not a place to practice your fulfillery.
You know she's pregnant. Please, calm down. Now listen, Uju. I will forgive you because you're carrying a royal child. Now go to your room and calm your head down. Now! Leave!
I am leaving. I am leaving this evil house! I am leaving!
And I will bury you alive before you do.
Yes, my king. My king, please just calm down, okay?
Number what? Allow me to think.
King Hilary is evil. Him and his brother ONNY really deceived us, Ahanna. As I speak to you right now, the matter is in the court. Yes, we're still in the court. May God be praised that you are alive and you have served your jail term because they are going to pay in tenfold. Yes, I'll assure you of that. You see, I traveled to Enugu when your mother died. Your father, my late brother, died few weeks after you left.
Uncle, I was never dead.
Thank God. King Hilary plotted an evil plot to kill you inside the prison. Yes, when I heard the news, I wrote to the prison commandant to remove the officer in charge of your ward. Yes.
Wait. That was why he was removed.
Exactly. He was paid to feed you with acidic food. So you keep eating for 1 week and die the next month.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
See, they all believe you were dead and gone because the warder, the officer, could not inform them what happened, that he was removed from the prison department. So he had to lie to them that you are dead because he has taken millions of naira from the king. Millions! You can imagine.
Uncle, the oath did not work against the royal house. The oath we all took.
Honestly, I don't know why. I don't know why the gods are taking time to rest the wrath upon this evil king. I don't know why. If you ask me, I don't know who to ask.
My wife, Junwa, how did she get to the palace? How?
She had an intercourse with the prince, and I was shocked when she said she was going to marry Prince Leonard. And then your mother was dead. I can't even explain. I don't even know how the both came together.
No, this cannot happen. This cannot be possible.
Anna, it's okay. Please, it's okay.
Oh my God.
It's okay. I'm so sorry for the bad experience.
No.
Anyway, Anna, just calm down. Butu, I will get you some money so that we will be using it until I get you somewhere that is safer, where you can stay. Calm down.
No.
Your Highness, the royal staff has returned back to the deserving family.
What do you mean?
You know what I mean? You know what I mean.
Stop that nonsense. Stop! Ichaka. Yes, I know what you mean. Even at that, I know it. And so, now, what will we do to have it back? We want to get it back.
Ichaka.
We need a solution.
We have come a long way. We are like family. Now tell me the truth. Where is the royal staff? Who took it away from the palace? How did the staff live here? That's what I want to know. Tell me.
You know too well that this palace is not your inheritance.
Yes, we know.
You are not the royal one chosen by the gods.
Yes, we know. I know that. Huh? How do we get the staff back? We need it back. That's what we need. Tell us what to do and get it back now.
Anna is with the staff.
What?
The pains and tears in his eyes lifted up the staff and they landed in front of him. You all know that his dead father was to be the king of this kingdom.
Uju, hey, help! Uju, oh my God, who is close? My king, she's dying.
Let her die if she wants to.
What?
Father!
Anna has been found.
What?
What? So I say your wife is dying.
Let her die if she wants to. I don't care.
No, she can't die.
Tell me what I need to hear.
Chief Carlo gave out information of where he is hiding. I've sent my men to go and get him.
She's dying. Who is close? Please, I need help. Please. She's dying. I need help.
We need to leave here now. This place is not safe anymore. We need to go.
Where do we go to? Is your maternal home okay?
No, it's not. I don't even trust my maternal home. Your uncle and the king of my maternal home are friends. So going there is going to be a high risk.
It's fine. It's fine.
Ahana, your uncle is a pathetic liar. Your uncle just wants to keep us here. He just wants to apprehend you just so he can execute his evil plans. But that will not work. We need to leave. We need to make a move. Your uncle is not to be trusted.
Thank you so much. Thank you. I appreciate.
Ahana, we're in this together. We will fight this, and I believe at the end victory will be ours. Okay? But then again, we need to act fast.
I need to invent the palace. I need to go there. I need to go and avenge the death of my mother. They want to kill me because they couldn't fulfill the promise. The oath, everything, fake oath. How possible is that?
Everything is possible. Everything is possible, especially when men that matters are involved in it. I don't know why your uncle chose to pledge his loyalty to him. But it's fine. Okay? We need to leave. And we have to change our looks. Especially you. And then change our dresses as well.
It's okay.
It's okay. Everything is gonna be fine.
It's okay.
Boss, we found no one. Chief lied to us. He lied to us! That bastard. That idiot. What do we do, Bosco?
What?
Where are they? I said, where are they?
I kept them here. I mean, the girl and Ahana. I kept them here.
Then where are they? Where are they? Because I can't find them.
But let me ask you. I was the one that called you. Yes. I called you to tell you that they are here with me. Even when the guards were after them. Huh?
Chief, I'm not playing with you. I am not playing with you. Don't play. Where are they for the last time?
Mind how you raise your tone at me.
Oh, fuck.
Boss, let me kill this man. Let me kill him now.
Hold on. Okay. On a normal tone. Chief, where are they? Where is Ahana? Wait, hold on. Wait. Are you aware that my father's royal staff is missing? Are you aware long before now, even before I was born, that Ahana's father was bestowed with the kingship? But my uncle Ono was lucky enough to see it and he grabbed it and gave it to my father. Are you aware of that? I'm asking you, answer my question.
What? What are you talking about? Are you saying that my late brother was supposed to be the king, but your uncle No stole the staff of kingship away from him? Oh, wait. What are you insinuating? So, Ahana is a prince. Is that what you are saying?
That was why you asked him to run. You asked Ahana to run and you kept on lying to me.
Me? Lying to you? Me lying to you? I'm a small boy. Why should I do that? Huh?
Alright. You are not a small boy. That is why you would die like a chicken. Give me that dog.
You can never hold what does not belong to you with your two hands forever. One day, the owner will come. must pay for all you have done. It doesn't matter, it doesn't matter. One day, it go matter. One day, it go matter. It doesn't matter, it doesn't matter. One day, it go matter. It go matter one day. If I never
I am telling you this because you are my close friend. I'm very, very worried.
I can feel your pain. Okay, Chi, I can really feel your pain.
Hilary has refused to come back home. And this is giving me sleepless night. I am confused, my brother. Very confused.
And he has refused to get married.
Oh, you see what I mean? Huh? You see what I mean? See, if there's anything I can do to bring my brother back to this village, to stay here and invest in this village, I will do it to my brother. I will do it. Huh?
My brother, you just need to be here. You just need to calm down. You just need to calm down. Are we still going to the coronation of Igwe Clifford?
Oh, that. Yes, we will go now. You know what will happen, eh? Early in the morning, I will come over to your house and call you so that we can go. Oh?
You know, I've been praying to the gods to bless us with a new king. We need a new king. I'm seriously worried about this.
Yes, me too. But you know, no one has found the royal staff in his house yet. And until one finds the royal staff in or around this house, that means the gods have blessed one with royalty for life.
That's our ancestors' ways of choosing a king.
Yes, that's it.
I can't wait. I just pray that somebody will find it. I will be happy for the person. We just need a king.
Yes.
We need a king.
We really need a king. Huh? Christian! Christian! Come out, oh! I know you are enjoying your wife in there. Come out. It's time, let's go.
What can I do?
How are you this morning?
I'm fine. As you can see, I'm ready for the...
You've been enjoying your wife in there, have you? Christian. Christian. So you scored the goal already. Good morning, our wife. Christian. Christian. I hope your wife will be giving us twins this time around. Christian.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Go well, my husband.
I forgot the land document. Let me get it.
Hurry up and get it. How will you forget something like that? Eh?
Now, okay. Let me finish what I'm doing in the kitchen.
Oh, our wife. Go and finish it, eh?
Doesn't matter, doesn't matter. One day, it go matter. One day, it go matter. It doesn't matter, doesn't matter. One day, it go matter.
Okay. Okay, Chi. Baby, this man. We are late for... Okay, Chi.
Last forever. It doesn't matter, doesn't matter. One day.
Hello? Hilary. Yes. Hilary. You have to come back home. Yes. There's something I want to show you. You have to come back. No, I'm not joking. No. I'm not joking. You have to come back. Mbano, I cannot come to Onitsha. No. I won't do that. You have to come back. Yes. See, listen. If you fail to come back, I will disown you as my brother. Yes. I'm very serious about this. Okay. Thank you. I'm expecting you. Okay, bye-bye.
My friend, I am so happy that your brother found the royal staff in his house.
Thank you, my brother.
You don't need to thank me. Your brother is already the king in making.
Oh, may the gods be praised.
We will eat and dine together. That reminds me, my wife keeps telling me that she always see the baby in her womb with a crown. And I will be like, we already have a king, we don't need one.
You know, based on the tradition of this land, it is a boy that is to be king, not a girl.
How do you know that she will give birth to a boy?
Are you not the one that has been praying to the gods to bless you with a male child first? Huh?
You got me.
Oh.
We will eat and drink, I am so happy.
Yes.
Where is this woman? Bring the food.
Your evil not gonna last forever. It doesn't matter, it doesn't matter. One day, it gonna matter. One day, it gonna matter. It doesn't matter, it doesn't matter. One day, it gonna matter.
There is nothing I can do right now.
No! No, Ichaka, what are you talking about? What do you mean there is nothing you can do? What do you mean there is nothing you can do? Huh? Ichaka, please. Please. I don't want my brother to leave that palace. He is the king. And you know, besides, you know how long we have gone. You and I have gone concerning that kingdom. Please. We can't afford to scatter what we started, what we built together.
No. Is he ready to sacrifice his wife? Because it is not easy to take the royal staff back from the real owner. And in no time, the festive period will meet us. If he doesn't provide the staff to the villagers, there will be trouble in the land.
I know all that. Even at that, I know my brother. He has the heart of a lion. He will approve of it. Please, anything it will take you, please. You don't want to lose that palace at all. Biko. Ichaka. Don't listen.
I, Igwe, Hilary, Ago, cricketing bone cases in Umuago Kingdom is all out. I am ready for the sacrifice. I do not care whose horse is God.
And so be it, Your Majesty.
Father, Chief Carlo has fooled me again and again and again. At this point, all I want is to squeeze his balls and feed him with them. That's all I want now, Father. Hannah escaped before my men could get to the location of where he is hiding.
Relax. Ichaka will fix it.
Father, don't tell me to relax. Don't tell me to relax because I don't have patience. I am running out of patience. The festive period is fast approaching and there is no assurance that I will hold on to that bastard, Ahana.
When the sacrifice is done, the throne will become ours. Beyond the sacrifice, the royal staff becomes golden.
What sacrifice are you talking about?
This place This place looks expensive. And we just had little money my uncle gave us to sustain with till he comes back.
Anna.
We don't have enough.
Safety first. I mean, this is also part of sustenance. Yes. See, nobody will ever think of coming here to look for us. Don't you think so? Anna, we just have to stay here. Do you have another option?
Are you sure of this?
Are you not sure of this? We have to stay here, of course.
Chief Carlo, I have reviewed the memorandum of understanding and I've come to terms with myself. I am going to give you a large portion of lands in this kingdom.
Huh? My king.
But on one condition.
What is the condition?
That you will make your nephew accept, and that you will make him believe that we shall fulfill all our promises. Again, he must not involve any legal activity or police into the system, just in a bid to sign an agreement with us. If he accepts all this, the lands like he promised is automatically yours.
That is not a problem, yes. He will accept. Why not? He will.
Father, Anna will someday return from prison and find out you did not build for the parents. What will you do?
I have an idea.
You do?
Yes. Since he has accepted to go to jail, and the jail is not a death sentence, like you have assured him, and he believed, I think what we have to do is to kill him in the prison. Yes, because if he comes back, he will cause serious unrest to the royal house.
Is that going to be possible? Killing someone in prison is not that easy.
Leave that to me, I will handle it.
Well, Chief Carlo, for suggesting this, I will transfer 500,000 into your account for your personal aggrandizement.
My king, you will create a fake and ineffective oath for the king to swear.
Okay.
And by so doing, the young man will believe and do that which we want him to do for us.
Sure. Wise one, I want you to make it look so real. I mean, very, very serious. God is serious.
I know what he can do. Don't worry about that. I trust him.
No
He is tested and trusted.
There's no
If I can walk him, I can gonna balance him back.
It's good.
Ichaka! Ichaka! Ichaka wokike! Ichaka! Akataka! Mwono onwe mweje jemba! Ichaka! Wagabwa! Obalatule!
Okay, Pepe! Ichaka!
Repeat after me, Your Highness. Say, I, King Hilary Ago.
I, King Hilary Ago.
I swear by the great deity of Ichaka Uku.
I swear by the great deity of Ichaka
that all the things listed by Ahanna.
That all the things listed by Ahanna.
I shall do so without failing anyone.
I shall do so without failing anyone.
Failing to do so in any condition.
Failing to do so in any condition.
May the gods visit me with my evil deeds.
May the gods visit me with my evil deeds.
May the kingdom be taken away from me.
May the kingdom be taken away from me.
So shall it be.
So shall it be.
Great Ichaka! Ichaka! Ichaka!
Anna.
Uncle.
You cannot give yourself to the authorities.
Yes, Uncle. Please, take care of my sick father.
My brother you are talking about, count on me on that. I will do so. Hmm?
Thank you.
What is it?
It's a dream. Yes. It's just a dream.
What was it all about?
It's... don't worry. Don't worry. I'll be fine.
No, Anna. You can talk to me about anything.
Don't
Tell
worry
me.
yourself. I'll be fine.
What's it all about? Tell me.
The gods has revealed to me the wickedness of men, the wickedness and evil plot of my own very uncle. What a word! What a word, Uncle Callum. I shall come for you. Yes, and you will die a miserable death for doing this to me. So I have a son. Ujunwa was pregnant for me, and she gave my own son to Leonard. A lot has gone wrong. Will I continue to run? I have to fight back and reclaim what is mine. Because it is down to me right now that the crown of Argo Kingdom is mine. Yes, and this is a royal staff in my hand. It is a royal staff. And now, the kingdom of Argo is mine. This royal staff has said it all. I will run no more. Yes, I will run no more.
When a child chooses to know what killed the father will come for him. He who is beheaded by many does not stand on the road.
Who are you? Who are you?
I know him. He's a chaka.
Let me have the royal staff, and I will spare your life. Let me have it now.
The royal staff?
Let me have the royal staff, and I will spare your life.
I am not going to give you the royal staff. I am glad that you know whoever touches the royal staff is a king. I am a king!
Then you will die.
is it?
I saw him. I saw him.
You saw what?
He's gone. He's gone. I saw him.
Who's gone? Who?
Ichaka.
I see this kingdom falling apart. I see Ahana becoming the king of this kingdom. I see a payback. Ahana will become the king of this kingdom. He will. His wrath and pain has rekindled with the gods. He is no longer human. He has been possessed by the gods. And he will be king. So tell the king, your husband, that I want to go. For I refuse to be part of this calamity.
Oh, shut up. Shut up. Go where? No, go where, if I may ask. Let me tell you this. This palace, this kingdom is doing everything within their powers to reclaim the royal staff from him. That I assure you.
What royal staff? What royal staff? The royal staff that your husband stole from his father? No. Your husband's brother stole from my ex-husband's father. Is that the royal staff you're talking about? Now let me ask you. Do you always think that evil will prevail forever? No. Ahana will fight. Ahana will fight to the last drop of his blood. He will fight and become the king. He will fight to reclaim his throne. And the earlier we begin to realize this, the better for all of us. Because no one, absolutely no one, can fight with the one the gods have chosen.
Oh, I see. Rebel in the house. I see. Well, my dear, let me tell you this. When the building goes down, even you, Juma, will go down as well. I assure you this, that Ahana will return back to the dead as it was rumored.
Come.
I am tired. I am tired.
My instinct tells me that we're being followed. Okay? Yes, so we have to rush.
How do you even know that? Now we need to leave this village completely. We need to leave.
Ahana, let me have the royal staff. I said let me have the royal staff. Get that girl. Let me have the royal staff.
Never. You will never have it.
I said let me have the royal staff. No.
You will never have it.
Allah! Allah!
never hold what does not belong to you. With your two hands forever. One day, the owner will come. One day, the owner will show. You must pay for all you have done. It doesn't matter, it doesn't matter. One day, it don't matter. One day, it don't matter. It doesn't matter, it doesn't matter.
I said, move!
Let me alone.
By the time I'm done with you,
Chiamaka!
I saw Ahana. I saw him with the royal staff. I saw him.
How come? How did he get the royal staff?
The boys will get him, right? Take this bastard that I picked from the gutter into the palace cell. Torture her until she bleeds and dies.
Get up. I said,
leave me alone! Leave me alone! You are not the king. Ahana is the true king. And I will keep saying it repeatedly that Ahana is the real king. The staff of royalty has gone to him. Yes. Oh, you think we don't know? You think we don't know that you stole his birthright because you are rich? Forgetting that the gods will fight for the poor. The gods will continue to fight for the poor. The gods will fight for their people. The gods will fight for the people of Ago Kingdom. They will fight for us. You are not the king. You will be disgraced. You will be disgraced and dethroned. Disgraced in the most dehumanizing way. Bring it on! Kill me! Kill me! Oh, you don't have the nerves. You are such a weakling. Kill me! Do it! Ahana will return. Ahana will return and he will reclaim his kingdom and his throne. Ahana will return. The gods will come with him. He will return. You weakling. Kill me. The gods will come for you. They will avenge you. They will visit you with calamity. Kill me, you weakling. Kill me and wait for Ahana to come. Kill me. You are a weakling. Kill me and the gods will avenge you. The gods will visit you with calamity. Do it. No, do it. You are a weakling. Kill me and watch Ahana become king. Do it.
Until then, rest in peace.
No! Son, please. Please. Just calm down, okay? Don't.
You. I have seen that you have taken a strong wine of boldness. But I will ruin you and your generation. But before then, I will kill you softly, slowly, painfully. You will die, wishing that you were never born here on earth. I will squeeze you into pieces, and I will be right here waiting for that, your king. Long live the king. Take this thing into the palace, sir. Chop her skin, flesh, pieces by pieces, until finally she will die, regretting her boldness.
Cowards! Idiot! Get already! I said move! 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 I said shut up! The next time I see you eavesdropping on matters that do not concern you, I swear by the gods, that would be your last on earth. Because I will shred you into bits and pieces.
Why don't you go ahead and shred me into bits and pieces? You talk too much. You're beginning to annoy me. You're beginning to disgust me.
Am I still annoying? I'm asking you. Am I still annoying?
Please, please, do not speak to me.
Chiamaka, I need to know what happened. Did he kill Onyeka? Is he truly alive?
When you see him, you will know. Because he is coming to take his son.
What?
You know, the gods revealed everything to him. Everything. And so I wonder, why are they still fighting whom the gods have destined to be the king? The same question I ask myself. What are you still doing here? What are you still doing here up until this very minute? You know you are a disgrace. I, your personal servant and maiden, tell you to your face that you are a disgrace. You are highly disreputable. But you know, Ahana will come. He will come and he will reclaim his throne. The gods will come with him. Yes, the gods are with him.
Where are you coming from? Where are you coming from?
Wait, nowhere.
Do not provoke me any further. I said, where are you coming from?
I want to go. I I want to leave this palace! I want to go!
God! God! Take this bastard to her room and lock her up. Do not open that door until I say otherwise. I want to leave. Oh. Now, leave me alone.
Move! Don't touch me!
I said move!
I want to go! I want to leave! Just leave me alone!
Go!
Go inside. Move.
Open this door! Open this door! I want to see my son! Open the door! Daniel! Daniel! Open this door! Daniel! Let me go! Just open this door! Open! Somebody help! Help me! Somebody help! Help me!
What is going on? This man, ever since he stepped his foot into this palace, is one problem or the other.
Did you not hear the queen talk about Junior? She overheard what Chiamaka said about him and called him a bastard.
Yes, I did. I did though. Wait. Wait oh. Could it be that this man is...
I don't know. I don't know. Don't put words in my mouth. I don't know.
Hey. And we don't have access to Chiamaka. Hey. The king will kill Chiamaka. Oh.
Let's be watching now. Let's be watching. But I'm very certain there's something about that man. There's something about that man.
Yes, you are right. You are right. I think Chiamaka knows something about this man.
Ma'am. Let's
Okay.
see. Let's see how it goes.
Let's be watching. We are still in this palace.
The gods are with him. I cannot be able to take back the staff from him. He seems to be powerful.
My friend, keep quiet! Don't tell me that rubbish!
My place. Uncle! Hold on.
I cannot be king without the staff. And Ichaka here is telling us that he cannot take back the staff from Ahana.
This is unbelievable.
Unbelievable.
It can be true.
Nonsense.
After all, Ahana is a nobody. Yes. Ichaka, do you mean to tell all of us here that all the sacrifices we did was in vain?
Like I said, my king, the gods are with Ahana.
Tell the gods that I need the staff of authority. Tell the gods.
Now listen to me and listen good. Itaka, you will take me and my boys to that house. That very place you met Ahanaya. I want to face him. I want to face him man to man. And I will take back the staff and I will kill him. As far as I'm concerned, Ahana is a dead man. He is a dead man. He should get
at this juncture, you must make sure that you return the royal staff to the palace. You know very well that this is a very crucial period. The festive period is around. So make sure you don't fail. Go ahead, consult with the gods and bring it back.
Yes, Ichaka. We are not here for a child's play. And you know it too well that the festive period is around the corner. We don't have time. We don't. The earlier you do something, the better for you. Nonsense.
Itakamwa, you will lead me to Anna. You will lead me to that son of a nobody. This is not a child's play.
My prince,
don't
calm down.
Calm down for what? I am not going to calm down because there is no reason for me to calm down. I want to see Ahana. He was once my driver. A slave can never be the master. Now, take me to Ahana. Go! I said I'll blow your fucking brains out. Think I'm joking with you? You think this is a child's play? What are you saying?
Junior is not our grandson.
What?
Chiamaka said it, and Ochonwa knows about it.
And who is his father?
Ahana, the ex-husband.
Get the family doctor to confirm this and get back to me. This is a critical time and we must deal with it.
Okay, my king. I think we should allow Ujunwa to go back to Ahana. Yes.
My king! My king! My king! My king! Stop!
Go get me the family lawyer! Quickly! Get out! Out! Scumbag! Long time no see. My driver, let me have the staff.
Over my dead body. I have a message for your father. Go and tell him that in a little while, the kingdom will be mine.
I can see that very clearly. Just like Ujunwa was your wife. And I raped her. She was screaming, moaning, craving for more. She was all over me. And I got her pregnant. I raped and got her pregnant. And I took her away from you. Same way I will take the throne from you. Don't move. I said, don't move. Anna! Anna! Ah! Anna is a case right now. We must bring him down ASAP. I don't know how he managed to appear behind me. That bastard shot at me!
What?
He shot at me!
He shot at you!
If not that I managed to escape, I would have been a dead man by now!
No. Did you hear that? That bastard shot at my son, the heir apparent to the throne of Umuagu Kingdom.
You don't mean it! You don't mean it! Not to worry, Your Majesty. I told you Ichaka is preparing something. Oh, no, don't tell me that! I'm telling you that that idiot, that son of a nobody, shot at me and you're telling me to have patience. Who is Ichaka? He is in his shrine. Preparing something. Tell me that!
Huh? Oh no. Did I hear you say patience for crying out loud? The prince here is fighting for his right, and you are here talking about patience.
I told you that the Ichaka is in his shrine, preparing something very strong. We have to be patient. Yes. Patience is the language.
Oh no. Let us not forget that the festival is in 2 days' time. And the royal staff must be presented to the people. Even the great Dibians of all the kingdoms will come first. And they request for the royal staff and bless it before the commencement of the festival. Do not speak as if you don't know the tradition. Please.
I know tradition too well.
Oh, please.
No. Oh no. Get me, Anna. Oh no, get me, Anna. Get me, Anna. Get me, Anna. I need Anna.
My prince, good to you. I am catching the grenades for you. I mean, relax. Why worry when we can actually catch the bees with the honeycomb?
Father, we must do something. We must do something. That bastard cannot defeat me. He will not be the next king of this kingdom. It will never happen.
Son, please. Calm down, oh? Relax.
Oh no, don't tell me to calm down. Don't even try it. I swear by the gods, I will kill his son. I will kill that bastard. I swear.
No. He's your son. He's your son. Junior is your son. You can't kill your son. You can't harm him. He's your son. Our child. Okay? He's your son. Please.
Let go of me. Let go of me.
Please, I beg you. Please. Please don't hurt him. Don't hurt my baby. I beg you. Don't hurt him. Please. He's your son.
Let go of me.
Anna. He's your son. Our baby, our child.
Ah!
Maybe this will explain better.
Look at it! What is this?
Thank you. Please, no, you can't hurt an innocent child. He's just an innocent boy. Please, it's just a baby. Please, you can't hurt him. He's our son, our child. Look at me.
Where is Junior?
He should be in his room with the guard.
No, please, I beg you, please.
Let go of me now!
Don't have my son, please, I beg you.
Ujunwa!
Please, I beg you. Let's go! Please, I beg you.
Let go of me!
No, please, don't have my son. Please, I beg you, don't have my son. No, Auntie, please.
We need the boy. Yes, we need him. What is happening here, for goodness sake? I am doing my best, my very best, to make sure that I do something to save all of us. But look at what is happening here. It looks like nothing is happening.
Oh no. Relax your mind. The guard will apprehend him. He's only a boy. He won't go far. Besides, if the villagers spot him, they will hold him down and bring him back.
Look at it this way. What a coincidence. His father, no one could be able to hold him. The boy, right now, is on the run. Eh? And how are we sure that the useless guard that helped him escape will bring him back to the palace? Eh? We need his blood. Ichaka needs his blood. He is coming for his blood. Yes. Eh?
My lord, why don't we involve the police to look for the boy and Ahana?
I'm short of ideas.
Then let's involve the police.
This is not an easy road. Do you know that the police are investigating the death of Chief Carlo?
How is that our concern? Our kingdom is on fire and we're talking about Chief Carlo.
This is our concern because it was his son who murdered him. Give me some British space of brooding.
What?
It's okay. It's okay. It's alright. Let's think of better option.
Who are you? What are you?
For the death of my parents. And for all you've done. For all you've cost.
My king! What is it?
What
happened?
A dream. Ahana shot at me. My dream.
Ahana?
Yes.
Shot at you?
Right. So this was a dream.
Honey, please, just calm down, okay? I think it's a dream. Relax your mind.
Oh my goodness.
It's okay. Relax.
Are you sure?
Yeah, just relax. It's just a dream.
My son, I have heard your story. It is pathetic. But do not worry. I am the chief priest of the 7 kingdoms of Agu. Do not worry your mind. The gods are with you.
Thank you, wise one.
Let me tell you things you already know. As you were speaking, I saw a man. A just and righteous man. His name is Christian.
Yes, wise one. That's my father's name. That's my father.
Your current Onowu, he was the best friend of your father when he was alive.
Yes, wise one.
My son, he connived with people. He took this staff from your father's abode, even when your mother was still carrying you in her belly. He connived with one of your uncles and put you in the prison to waste you. But little do they know that he whom the gods put their hands upon will never fall. Do not worry. The gods are with you. My son.
Wise one.
I will step in. I will come with death for anyone who wishes another man to die. Death shall be the portion of that person. I will remove this white attire. I will wear red upon the white. Do not worry. The gods are with you.
Thank you, wise one.
You did so well by coming here. Just like a wise king you are.
Thank you, wise one.
Stop that! Stop that! Move!
Not going anywhere!
Move inside the car!
Move inside this car now.
Fast! I said, move inside this car now! Are you mad? Get inside the car!
I'm not going inside that car and there's nothing you can do to stop me. I'm not going inside that car. I'm not
Let
going
him go! And who are you to challenge us? Eh?
Thank you, sir.
Come. Come, my little prince. Hold my hand. Hold my hand. Do not be afraid.
A man appeared from nowhere and struck one of the prince's boys and took the junior prince.
Is it Ahana?
No, not Ahana.
That's it!
Hilary, where is the royal staff? The symbol of kinship of Umago Kingdom.
Who are you to ask my father of his royal and sacred staff, old man?
No, my king! Do something! Do something! Do something!
Now listen. Hilary, no one dares the anger and wrath of the white gods. You have today till tomorrow to provide the royal staff, or you lose your son and be kicked out of this kingdom. You have committed a lot of evil, and your punishment is death. If you do not provide the royal staff to the elders, I will send to the palace.
My king! Do something, my son! Do something! Do something!
Your Majesty, no. This matter has gone out of hand. Look, I suggest you surrender. For the sake of your son, yes. In order not to experience more calamity. Because from the way I'm seeing the whole thing, this is going far beyond imagination.
I am not going to leave the crown to an ordinary driver. Never. I will not vacate the palace to a nobody.
Your Majesty, the prince is going to die. Your brother is already dead. Ishaka is dead. Then what are you saying? What are you going to do
My
about
son will not die. I am the king. I will go to the hills. I will not be indispensable of my thought. I will do the unthinkable and protect what is rightfully mine.
Your Majesty, as you wish. But I want to let you know that I have washed off my head, my hand, my legs, everything in me of these whole atrocities.
Hillary! Hillary! We cannot continue like this. We are losing our son. We are not royalty, for Christ's sake. Let us go back to our base. I don't want to lose my son. I do not want to lose my only child.
If you don't have anything reasonable to say, just shut up!
I will not shut up! You have been shutting me up for a very long time. I will not shut up again. I will not.
I am warning you for the last time. Do not provoke me further. Don't ever try it! Because if you do, I will kill you!
You are the cause of all this! Yes, you are! You have never for one day taken advice from me. My husband, I told you that you cannot be king. Please, you cannot. Your brother just wants to reign you. We are fine. We are okay just the way we are.
Azoka, what you are talking is bad, right? Are you not enjoying the sweetness of royalty already?
But my husband, your brother said he picked the royal staff from his friend's house, which means it isn't yours.
Azoka, do not stress your head. We know the spin we are into. Relax, okay? Don't bother your head over that.
My husband, I am scared though. I am scared. You know that your village deity is very strong. I am scared of it. You know that one day this thing will backfire. You need to stop.
Calm down your nerves, Azoka. Do not be scared of any village deity. I am not going to quit. Nothing will backfire, okay? I will become the king. And after my reign, my son Leonard will succeed me. And same with my grandchildren, right? So forget about what you are thinking right now and put yourself in the mood. You know, let me still know if the strength is still there for us to have another child. Come to me.
My king, I am not in the mood for this.
No, you have to be in the mood. Let me see if I still have that strength to pull all my dancing shoes.
This matter is very important, you know. Now listen, and listen good. If anything happens to my son, I will kill you myself.
I am indomitable. I don't care who wants to die. Royal staff or not, I will rule this land. I am King Hilary. Ago, Kriketimwong Kizisi in Umuago Kingdom. The bullets does not go through the spirits. I am a demigod. Okrikiri kana buko sadi arienu. Mbaba kana barago. I am fragging a boxer. I had the affront. Nyabo boy a kifre mendirum.
Highness, we are demanding for the staff of office, the sacred staff of office of this great kingdom. Where is it? Show it to us before the festive period begins. Ambo.
Exactly.
I owe no one any explanation.
Igwe, you are not asking for your explanation at all. Let me tell you. You see, the festival will not hold until you present the staff to the appropriate elders. If not, it will not hold.
I am in a quarrelsome mood, but I want to be fair to you all. I will talk to no one again until my son recovers.
Igwe, you are not here for your son at all. If indeed you are still the ruler of this kingdom, let us have the staff so that we can present it to our great priest. He can bless us and declare the festival open, and also bless you and bless every of us in this kingdom.
Yes.
Oh yeah. Anako.
Oh yeah. Your Highness, that is the culture of our people.
Exactly.
And it's simply because of that culture that we are here. Present us with the staff.
It's our tradition. Give it to us. Kemo menala.
Is he working out on us? How can he work out on us?
Hey! You will not get anywhere. You will not get anywhere. You will not get anywhere.
Don't worry. We will know where you are going to. No problem. Yeah. You got food.
Calm down. Doctor is on his way. Oh, Name, let me don't do this to me. Oh, it's okay. Please just relax. Doctor is coming. Eh? Son. You. Hey! You. Eh? 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 Hey! Timo! Oh no! My God! They killed me! No! My son! Please wake up! Mom is here! Ah! I want more! I am finished! Timo! No, my son, could you take off? Your mom is here. Just look at me. Ah! Hey! Timo! Hey! No. Wait.
Che, that is none of our business. We are here for a mission, and we must see to it. I'm coming here now.
Okay. Don't you think we should go and inform the chief priest about this outcome?
I think you are right.
I think so.
Let's go immediately.
That's what we should do.
Let us go and see him. Let's go. Karo happy man over there.
predicament by now.
Oh my God! You are a devil!
We are in this together.
We are in nothing together. Hillary, I am done. I am leaving you.
Are you sure? Are you sure you are done? Well, there's something I want to let you know. I am Hillary! I go Kiketimbo Nkizisi in Amago Kingdom. Nobody mess with me. You can toy with my personal.
You must pay for all you have done. It doesn't matter, it doesn't matter. One day, it gon' matter. One day, it gon' matter. It doesn't matter, it doesn't matter. One day, it gon' matter. It gon' matter one day. If I never below, Bani Mafia, you pay if I for good. Your evil not gonna last forever. It doesn't matter.
Where'd you think?
Leave me alone! Leave me alone! What else do you want from me? What else do you want from me? You have taken everything away from me. You have taken my life. I want to go and look for my son. I want to go back to my husband. You have taken my life. Just leave me alone. You are a very wicked man. You are so wicked. And the gods will punish you.
Now get inside.
I am going. And there is nothing you can do to stop me.
Do not waste my time further.
I am tired. I am frustrated.
Inside or you meet your death.
No.
1, 2, 3, 4. And 5.
Look who the cat has dragged in. Have you come to give me my staff of authority?
Over your dead body.
My son! My son! She's not breathing. She's not breathing.
A butterfly thinks himself a bird. But a butterfly is a butterfly and a bird a bird. I am King Hillary Ago, cricketing Bonkizisi in Umuago Kingdom. I am the king.
My name is Ahanna. And I've come to take what belongs to me. I have come to take my right in this kingdom. I am the heir apparent to this kingdom. My name is Anna!
prison, yeah, yeah. I am back from prison, yeah, yeah. Back from prison, yeah, yeah. I am back from prison, yeah, yeah. I am back now, I am back now, I am back now, I am back
Igwe will reign forever.
Oh yes. Father Hannah, you are the best that has happened to this community.
In the mix of joy and sadness, I wish a lot of people were here to witness this day. My parents, and my ex-wife also. But the gods knows it all. And I want to declare a day for my parents and of course my ex-wife. I thank you all.
Igwe.
It's a successful coronation.
Igwe.
Thank you.
Igwe.
Oh no.
Igwe. Ọ ga-adịrị gị mma o. Ezigbo mmadụ.
Give me the strength, unknowingly to me. Fake oath was taken. Many promises we are made to me, but all realize full of more. Back from prison, yeah, yeah. I am back from prison, yeah, yeah. Back from prison, yeah, yeah. I am back from prison, yeah, yeah. I am back now, I am back now. I've lost everything because of my good heart. I lost my parents because of my good heart. My lovely wife is now in the hands of my enemy. Oh Lord, direct my path. This is war. Those of our land, direct my path to the right way. Back from prison, yeah, yeah. I am back from prison, yeah, yeah. Back from prison,